Millions of house owners across the United States are paying more on their mortgage even a single month than they actually need to. Will interest rate continue to change? Smart home owners are quickly refinancing their homes are saving thousands of dollars legally through lower monthly payment, shorter loan term, or better finance planning. If you're currently on a home in America and took your m- more mortgage several years ago, there is a strong possibility that you may qualification for a reference option that could record your finance signification. Many families overlook this opportunity simply because the region financing is completely risk or only meant for wealthy homeowners, but is lately mortgage refinancing has become one of the most commonly used finance strategy in the United States. A mortgage referencing simple means replacing your existing home loan with a new one that offering better terms. This can include a lower interest rate, lower month payment, fixed rate eligibility, or even encouraged cash equity built into your property. The goal is not just borrowing money again. The goal is improving your overall finance situation, responsibility, and legally. One of the biggest reasons homeowners reference is to lower their interest rate. Even a small reduction in your mortgage rate can create massive long-term savings. For example, re- reducing a loan from 7% to 6% makes a tens of thousands of dollars over the life a third year mortgage. That difference may not sound dramatically at first, but over time it can completely change your finance future. Another common reason people respond is not record monthly payment rising living cost, inflation, medical bill, insurance costs, and everyday expenses are operating many of our finance loading your mortgage payment by even a few $100 each month can provide breathing for saving investment, emergency fund, or debt record. Some homeowners refuse to move from an object rate mortgage to a fixed rate mortgage. Objective loan may start with lower payment, but they can increase over time depending on market conditions. Fixed rate mortgage offer stability and predictability monthly payment which help many family planning their finances with more confidence. There is also homeowners which refinance to shorten the term of their loan interest of paying for 13 years. They may refinance into a 15 years mortgage will monthly payment care something increasing lessen the total paid over time because dramatically lower. This approach can help owners build equity fast on the homes much sooner. Cash out refinancing is another option that has become popular in the United States. Your firm value has increased and you have built significant equity. Refinancing may allow you to accuracy rotation of the equity in case may ripple use the money for home renovation, educational expense, debt, insulation of business investment. Overall finance expert recommend use cash out refinancing carefully and responsibly because your home remains calculation of the loan. One important is homeowners but understand in that refinance rate are never ex- expect the sum of everyone more leaders conspiracy several factories before health your credit score playing a major role. High credit score generally lead to better interest rate and lower borrowing costs. Managing a strong payment history, reducing credit score balance, and avoiding unnecessary debt can improve your refinance opportunity. Income stability is another major factor. Leader contributor most banker and and company want to see continuous income and resource response finance behavior. This the determine whether the borrowing flow new monthly payment employee history tax record, and debt to income ratio all influence refinance approval.